Welcome back everybody. In this video, we will learn how to be more polite in English with some examples, consisting of some common sentences that you can use in your daily life. Instead of saying, I want a hamburger, you can politely say, I would like to have a hamburger. Rather than saying, that's a bad idea, you can politely say, I am not sure if that's a good idea. Instead of saying, I hate this song, you can also say, I am not very fond of this song. Saying, you are wrong is considered to be a very impolite sentence. Instead, you can say, I think you are mistaken. Send me the report sounds like an order and is considered very impolite. Instead, you can say, could you send me the report? Your work isn't good sounds very rude. You can alternate it by saying, I am not quite satisfied with this work. Rather than saying, tell me when you are available, you can also say, let me know when you are available. Give me your business card sounds a little impolite. You can alternate by saying, do you mind if I take your business card? And that brings us to the end of our video. Do subscribe for more.